Meaning of public administration. Administer is an English word which is originate from the Latin word ad and ministrare. It means to serve or to manage. Administration means management of affairs, public or private. Definition of public administration. According to M.E. Demock and Geo Demock, public administration is the area of study and practice where law and policy recommended and carried out. According to J. W. Flies, public administration is policy execution and also policy formulation. According to F. A. Nigro and L. G. Nigro, public administration is cooperative group effort in a public setting, covers all three branches and their interrelationships, has an important role in the formulation of policies, has an important role in a part of the political process, is different in significant ways from private administration, is closely associated with numerous private groups and individuals in providing service to the community. According to Professor Woodrow Wilson, public administration is a detailed and systematic application of law. According to Simon, public administration is meant the activities of the executive branches of the national, state, and local governments. According to L. D. White, public administration consists of all those operations having for their purpose the fulfillment of public policy as declared by authority. According to Willoughby, public administration in broadest sense denotes the work involved in the actual conduct of governmental affairs and in narrowest sense denotes the operation of the administrative branch only. According to Gulick, public administration is that part of the science of administration which has to do with government and thus concern itself primarily with the executive branch where the work of the government is done. According to Waldo, public administration is the art and science of management as applied to the affairs of the state. According to Marshall E. Demock, administration is concerned with what and how of the government. The what is the subject matter, the technical knowledge of a field which enable the administrator to perform his task, and the how is the technique of management according to which cooperative programs are carried to success. Nature of public administration. First, the integral view. Second, the managerial view. The integral view. L.D. White is a supporter of this view. According to him, public administration is viewed as doing the work of government. Public administration regarded as the sum total of all the activities manual, clerical, technical, and managerial. All the activities of government employees, all those operations, enforcement of a public policies. The scope of public administration vast and unwieldly, includes a heterogeneous mass of activities, may not develop into a distinct academic discipline. The managerial view. Luther Gulick, important champion of the managerial view. He viewed public administration as getting the work of government done. Public administration consists of the managerial function of the top administrators. He emphasized the basic postcard function of the managers, denotes the work of the chief executive as a general manager. He excludes the activity of non-managerial personnel. He controls the activities of all other. Getting things done, not doing things. Getting things done with the accomplishment of objective. He emphasized on managerial techniques. Function or element of public administration. Postcode. P stands for planning, O stands for organization, S stands for staffing, D stands for directing, and CO stands for coordination, R stands for reporting, and B stands for budgeting. The integral and the managerial view. The integral view is wider than a managerial view. Inclusive view of administration covering both managerial and non-managerial activity. The latter restricts administration to the work of manager. The difference between the operation and the management, not mutually exclusive to each other, both a process and a vocation. Characteristics of public administration. It is a part of executive branch of government. Public administration related with the activities of the state, carries out the public policies, realize the aspiration of the people, non-political public bureaucracy, the monopoly of the state, concentrated in the executive branch, naturally a big and complex organization, concerned with policy execution to an end and not an end in itself, merely a tool of government to implement its policy. Scope of public administration. Scope of public administration. First, the view of L.D. White and traditionalist. Second, Gulick and the scientific management school. Following are the three important perspectives. First, narrow perspective or postcode perspective. Second, broad perspective or subject matter view. Third, prevailing view. Narrow perspective or postcode perspective. Luther Gulick is the main exponent. According to him, the scope is narrow or limited. It is also regarded as postcode view. 7 types of functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and at last budgeting. Broad perspective or subject oriented perspective. Professor Woodrow Wilson and L.D. White. According to them, public administration occurs all three branches of the government. The scope of public administration is like a cooperative group. Public administration is a part of political process. Prevailing view. Administrative theory. It includes the following aspects: organizational theory, behavior, public personal administration. Applied administration. It includes the following aspects: political functions, legislative functions, financial functions, defense, educational functions, social welfare administration, economic administration, foreign administration, and local administration. Significance of public administration. It is basis of government. Public administration is an instrument for implementing laws and policies, participation in policy formulation, a great stabilizing force in society. It provides continuity when government change. It provides a wide variety of service in the public interest. It is an instrument of social change and economic development. It is an essential for the development of civilization. Reason for the growing importance of public administration. And a new agenda item. Public administration in developing countries. Public administration has to meet the rising expectation of the people, role, socio-economical development of the society, effective performance of the traditional functions, developing a sense of nationalhood, helps democracy survive, the importance of developmental activities.